Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning, didn't know I missed this passion.
Hey everyone, it's Bella. As you can see, my house got a little bit out of control over the past couple days, so it's time to do a good reset, just get everything back in its place. So if you have any cleaning that you need to do, I hope this gives you a little bit of motivation so you can tackle at least one space today. I'm gonna start in the living room today. Just needed a really good reset, so I'm putting all the pillows back where they need to go. And then I'm not gonna name names, but I think a certain toddler got her grimy, grubby hands on all of the tables. So there are some questionable stains with some questionable material, but it's okay because it's nothing a little bit of Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray can't handle. My OGs will tell you that I'm usually really good about keeping up on small household chores so they don't become big tasks, but the holidays can be busy and frankly stressful. The day that I'm filming this is the day after Thanksgiving, and this goes to show you that even when you're not hosting a particular holiday, your living space can still get a little bit messed up. So here's your reminder to look after yourself first this holiday season because everything will come together in the end. So here's one of those weird smudges I was telling you about, but I think with a toddler sometimes your whole house can become a weird smudge. But all jokes aside, she is crawling everywhere, getting into everything. I turn my back for 1 second and she's across the room. So it could be anything, and there could be more stains that I'm just missing. There probably are. And if that doesn't describe living with a toddler, I don't know what does. So if you're wondering what that huge box in the middle of our kitchen is, it was Kennedy's mommy and daddy Christmas present, but it arrived broken, so we're having the manufacturer send us a new one. We got her a little ride-on white Mercedes car that has a parent remote for my personal sanity. We've been playing around with the idea of getting her one of these since she turned 1 back in July, and one that we really liked just went on sale, so we decided that it was meant to be and we went ahead and ordered it. But I guess this particular one was not meant to be, but hopefully the next one will be perfectly fine. And if we can't get it in time for Christmas, at least she still has her Santa presents, and Santa never delivers broken toys. So questionable stain number 2 of the day on the table. I have no idea how that happened. I'm assuming it was juice, probably. But now I'm working top down because that styrofoam in that box had a mind of its own and it got all over the floor. So I'm actually going to be busting out the broom for this, and you know it's bad when I gotta go get the broom because it'll clog the vacuum if I don't. As you can see, I had some serious clutter on the countertop, so I wanted to go ahead and get that all cleared off. I feel like some days I'm super on top of it after breakfast and I get everything put away immediately, and some days it just sits until after lunch or even sometimes after dinner. But if you've been hanging out here for a minute, you know that I have been working on not being so much of a perfectionist with myself, and just kind of, if things have to sit for a little while, then they have to sit for a little while, and that's okay. Sometimes life just gets a little crazy and you just have to take it one step at a time. And speaking of life getting a little bit crazy, I know that my tag is showing on my little bralette or whatever it's called, and I can see it now, but at the time I didn't realize it, so sorry about that. I'm watching it back like, get it together, Bella, put your tag away, but it doesn't happen for the rest of the video, sorry. So this huge pizza pan or whatever it's called, I'm not even sure. I know that Cook's Pizza is the only thing that we really have to dry and wash by hand, and the rest of it I'll just load up into the dishwasher, no shame style. I could in theory do it with these bottles as well, but I feel like we just go through them so fast around here that washing them in the dishwasher isn't really practical. But I don't know, if your babies still drink out of bottles and it's more practical for you to actually use the dishwasher and I'm just missing out, let me know. So now I'm finishing up the last of the dishes, and I'm also being joined by my toddler. So if you hear toddler noises, that's why. We keep it 100% real around here. Kennedy's sitting on my lap right now playing with the mouse. Do you want to say anything?
No.
So she doesn't have anything she wants to add right now, but if you hear giggling or talking, that's why she's here. But right now I'm finishing up drying off the silverware, and I'm going to get that all put away, and then after that it's time for the best part of the whole video, cleaning the sink. And I'm just going to let the relaxing music play so we can enjoy it.
Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego.
And sometimes I don't do this, but today I decided to dry out the sink to make it extra shiny. So if you guys could do me a huge favor and go down to the comments and just let me know how long you've been here, because I think we have a lot of new people, and I'm thinking about doing like a clean and Q&A to introduce myself to the people who are newer around here. And also let me know if you like that idea, and if you have any questions, now would be a great time to ask them in the comments. And remember, if you need any more cleaning motivation, there is a ton to go around on this channel, and you can find it in my cleaning motivation playlist. And if you haven't yet, please make sure that you subscribe and turn on your notifications, because it helps small channels like mine grow. Kennedy, do you have anything you want to add?
Wait.
We love you. Bye, beauties.